you slag. Morning guys, how are we? I hope we are all well on this Friday morning. Well, you will not believe what I've just done. I'm going to share it with you because I'm such an idiot. So I've just spent 10 minutes recording a little bit for you, just for the public out there that watch the videos. United, forgot to fucking press record, didn't I? So I'm going to do it all again now. Now I know that the record button's been pressed. Morning everyone, how are we? So you may have noticed I haven't been around and making videos for a while. Several reasons, one will explain. So about 6 weeks ago, 7 weeks ago was probably the last time I let a video loose on you all, and I just sort of decided I weren't going to make any more for a little while. I was taking a break. We like to take a break every now and then, so I decided to take a break. And a few reasons, which I will share with you. So, reason one really is so personal life, things happen in personal lives that people don't know about, we don't talk about because it's personal, it's our business. So the word mental health does come into it, of course it does, and I just had a few ongoing issues in life with myself, mental state, usual stuff, you know it is. So I didn't think it was right for me to film. I didn't want to film. I actually never woke up thinking, oh, let's do a video today, let's start filming. I'd had enough. So 6 weeks ago I told myself I was quitting, I weren't going to do it unless I missed it. So that was sort of my first issue number one, if you want to call it that. Second issue was I've been having so many bloody issues with my cameras. It also helped me make the decision to cancel as well and stop doing. So I normally have two cameras, one which you can see on me right now, and another one that faces the outside world at the front so that we can see what's going on and around when we're driving. And I preferred it that way. I got used to that. I don't like change too much. So that was that. And the camera, I got a GoPro 6 and a GoPro 7, and the GoPro 6 started playing up, and it was playing up on a daily basis, 7-8 times a day. Every time I went to record, it was pretty much playing up, not working. Really annoying. So I tried to abandon ship on the GoPro 6 and just use the GoPro 7, but it's just a pain in the backside turning it to face me or face out where I want it to be, you know, usual stuff. So I'd have to break up the drive to get ready to record, etc. So then I just sort of decided just to face one way and record, and I didn't like it very much. There's not a lot for the viewers really to see and enjoy on it. So I thought I'd try and fix the camera, and I thought I'd fixed it. I thought anyway. I'd done some YouTube videos, watched them, and I thought, yeah, I've fixed it. So with the help of people from YouTube, thank you very much, I thought I'd fixed it, and it turned out I hadn't. It temporarily wanted to make me feel like I was winning. And unfortunately I was losing, and because I was losing, it really annoyed me. So I just sort of said, that is it. With the mental stress going on that I had in my head, with stuff going on in my life, plus the camera's not working, it just made it more, giving me more reasoning to not film anymore, which is what I decided. So I said that was it. And to top it all off, the third reason is you guys. Well, maybe not you guys, the you guys that haven't found me or watched me yet, and for whatever reason, I do not know, I just cannot get views. And for those of you that watch me, if you are watching and you're a vlogger yourself and you do a bit of YouTubing, you'll know how difficult and hard it can be to get videos out, make videos on time for you guys. It's hard, it really is difficult. It can be very, very difficult. So this is a bit of a two-part of this one with the editing. So I have a laptop. I bring a laptop with me everywhere I go. I video everything. I put it onto my laptop or my my hard drive, my additional hard drive that I carry with me. So basically I'll load everything off my cameras onto my hard drive, go onto my laptop and play everything, research everything, do everything I need to do on my laptop. And then when it comes to the editing, I use a platform, excuse me a minute, I use a platform, and the platform is called Pinnacle. Now for those of you that know Pinnacle, I have Pinnacle on my laptop, which is Pinnacle 23, and I have Pinnacle 24 on my workstation I have at home, which is a proper gaming editing computer. So as a truck driver, we spend a lot of time in our trucks and we have a lot of waiting time. So because you have a fair deal of waiting time, what I tend to do is I tend to download the stuff onto my laptop via my hard drive, and I'll start editing videos. And it was coming to a point where I was having so many issues with disruption to sound, you know, and things like that, that I was finding it hard to sort of want to make videos. But when I did eventually start making them again, when I was making the videos, I'd spend 4, 5, 7 hours even making videos, putting it all together so you guys would enjoy it. And then every time I went to render it, it wouldn't render on the laptop. I have no reason why. The laptop's fairly decent. It's got a lot of power on it to cope with what I'm running, which is Pinnacle. And it just wouldn't render anything. It was taking hours upon hours to render like 3 or 4%, and once it got to 4, 5, 6%, it cut off and stopped working, and it really frustrated me. So add that on top of what was going on in my head anyway about wanting to quit, didn't help matters. And then of course the camera, when I did download or when I did view some of the content, the noise was terrible. You couldn't hear me, then you could, then you couldn't, and then guess what? You could hear me. It was fluctuating in and out. It was out of control, and I don't know why. So I said, you know what, all this combined, that is it. I've had enough. I am done. I am through with making videos. And then the biggest part, which does go back to you, the viewers, or the lack of. So as I've just explained, I spend all this time away from my family, that when I come home of a weekend and I get it to spend with the family, I decide to spend it editing videos as well for 80 people to watch. And I'm just not getting it. I'm not getting it at all. How can it be that I get no views or hardly any views, and I'm putting a lot of time and effort into it, and people just don't watch it? I have a few people that watch it that are regulars. You know, you guys know who you are, I'm sure you do. But I've just been finding it hard to understand that I follow people as well. How can it be that other lorry drivers who come and make content, and I'm going to say this in a nice way, the content isn't amazing at all, but for some reason they're getting the views, a lot of views. I find it really annoying, really frustrating. Good luck to them at the same time. I'm not, yeah, am I jealous? Yeah, I suppose you could say I'm jealous a little bit, but I'm not jealous at them. I'm jealous because they can get the views. Their content, some of it is fairly good. However, I do believe, and I do follow a few people, and I think my content is a lot better. And I've been going for 2 years now, and there are a few people I follow that have only been going 4, 5, 6 months, and they've quadrupled their views compared to what I've got. I've got 712, or 717, and they've quadrupled what I've got in a short space of time for content that is no better than mine. And I really don't know where I'm going wrong. So this is where you guys come in. This is where anyone who can help me with I mean, I understand the format of putting a video out. I understand the tags. I understand the certain names in your titles and that. I get all that. I use a tool that helps me called TubeBuddy, but I just don't get the views. And maybe it's because, I don't know, I'm trying to be as authentic as possible. I'm trying to be me, and I just can't, and it's frustrating. In terms of, when I say I can't be me, I am me. I just mean that, I don't know, maybe people just don't get me. Is there something about me? I don't know. So listen, please leave any comments. Drop your comments in the comment section below. Let me know where you think I'm going wrong. Constructive criticism is what we'll call it. I won't call it anybody being horrible, nasty, or anything like that. So this whole video is going out in its full entirety. I'm not going to edit it. This is just going to be going out. This is how it's going to be. And yeah, this is me. This is me with a cry for help, we'll call it. I don't know why, but yeah, we'll call it a little cry for help. Other than that, I'm going to come back, give it a go for a few more weeks, see if anything picks up. If the views pick up, comments pick up, whatever, the likes. This sounds really weird, but I'm not really bothered about the subs. I don't care about subscriptions. I want people to watch and enjoy what I do. Leave me some comments. Do I need to show more? Do you need to see more of what I'm doing? Although, as we know, it's hard for me to show too much because of the working environment that we're in. Just let me know, as I say, comments in the comment section below. Help me help you watch videos. How about that? Right, it's over and out for me, and I will talk to you soon. Hopefully you give me some good input, some good information, and who knows, maybe some tips on where I've been going wrong that helps me and I can progress. I want to progress for you guys. So with that said, I'm going to over and out here, and I will talk to you hopefully next week. We'll see. Over and out for now, guys. Thanks for checking in. Goodbye.